taping. Babbling brook.
Yeah, can you get the top?
Can you just talk?
Cool.
Sun's coming up and it's getting hot.
I got cakes on the grieving. That ain't nothing.
Okay. He didn't wear shorts. Come on, we're hiking.
It's like 55 degrees out.
Okay, we did it. We made a mile, see? I can't read without my glasses, but it says you are 1 mile from the park's main entrance and a half mile from a steep staircase. Well, oops, sorry. We're not in shape to go hiking. I probably should have ran up and down my staircase for a month to get in shape for this. There's hubby walking. There's lots of trees.
Fresh air is nice.
But we're gonna take the shuttle back. Shh, we didn't say that. There we are.
Still got a half mile to go.
I know. Okay.